right, boys and girls, who's ready to get their chicken on? Why the chicken cross the road? Well, to learn the chicken dance, of course. So if you've been at a wedding or something and they do this silly little dance, everybody gets into it. And I was, oh, that looks fun, but I never knew how. Well, we're gonna teach you how right now. It's called the chicken dance, and everything is in fours. So what does the little chicken do? It's at the beginning. He beep, 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 beep. So there's 4 beeps. 1, 2, 3, 4. Congratulations, you just learned step 1. How hard was that? Not too hard. What else does a chicken do? Doesn't fly too much, but flaps the wings. So we're gonna flap the wings 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. What was the first thing again? Oh yeah, beep, 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 beep. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you gotta be in rhythm. It's hard for me, it's maybe hard for you, we'll see. And then the third thing is, not really in fours, but you do for 4 seconds. It's a little shimmy. It's a little like this. Maybe it's a little chicken trying to get out of the chicken egg. Who knows? Okay? It's like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the last one are just 4 claps. 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's try this in rhythm. Okay, step 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shimmy. 2, 3, 4. Clap. 2, 3, 4. I think you're ready. One more time. Peep. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Shimmy. 2, 3, 4. Clap. 2, 3, 4. Let's do this. Now you're just gonna do a little square dance with yourself. Just do a little figure 8. Unless you have a family member at home that wants to help you with this, it's kind of fun. Ready, in fours. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. The square dance. Just be silly. You're done.